Hi everyone, hope all of you are well. In my previous video I explained globe, latitude and longitude. Today I am going to explain longitude and time. How we can calculate the time of a particular place depends on longitude. If you see the globe on your book, you can see there is a line which is coming from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere. In the middle portions of the globe, this particular line name is prime meridian. Its value is 0 degree. So from prime meridian to eastern side of the globe is called eastern hemisphere, and from prime meridian to western side of the globe is called western hemisphere. So from prime meridian to eastern side, if you go from prime meridian to eastern side, you remember time will be increased, and if you move from prime meridian to western side, the time will be decrease. So here I am going to tell you one thing. You know that the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So it means 360 degree completed by 24 hours. So if take 24 hours to complete 360 degree, so how much time taken to complete 1 degree? It's very simple. If you calculate the particular minutes, so 24 hours means 24 into 60, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 24 into 60, you can get 1440 minutes. It means 1440 minutes taken to complete one rotation. So 1 degree, when it's complete the 1 degree, it's take 1440 divided by 360. It means 4 minutes. Its result, when 1 degree completed, it takes 4 minutes. Due to this reason, you remember when you move to right side from the middle portion of the globe, means from the prime meridian to eastern side, you remember for 1 degree 4 minute time will be increased. But if you move to left side from the prime meridian, you remember 4 minute time will be decreased. So this is the main important calculation. If you move right side from the prime meridian, time will be increased. If you move left side from the prime meridian, time will be decreased. Here I am going to tell you one of the example. If you check in your book, you can get our country 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from the London. Means if London time is 9 AM, our country's time 9 AM plus 5 hours 30 minutes means 14 hours 30 minutes. It means 2:30 in our country. If London's time is 9 AM, our country's time is 2:30 PM that time. So 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. Why I am telling you 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from the London time? Here you need to remember one of the important point. I already told you, when you move to right side, time will be increased. How much time will be increased? 4 minute time will be increased for 1 degree longitude difference. So here you need to remember London longitude means London prime meridian value is 0 degree. It's the main longitude of London, but our country's time depends on 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, which is called standard meridian of our country. So our countries depend on the standard meridian. So here you need to remember what is the difference between London and our country's longitude. The longitudinal difference between our country and London is 82 degree 30 minutes. Why? Because London 0 degree and our country is 82 degree 30 minutes. So the difference is 82 degree 30 minutes. Now we need to calculate. For 1 degree 4 minute time will be difference. So 82 degree 82 into 4, you can get 328 minutes. So if for 1 degree 4 minutes, so it means obviously for 30 minutes 2 minutes. For 30 minutes we found that 2 minute time will be differences. Here you need to remember 1 degree, when we can calculate that 1 degree in longitude, when it's divided into minutes, so 60 minutes means 1 degree. So if it is half of a degree, then it's a 30 minutes. So 82 degree 30 minutes means 80, for 82 it's 82 into 4, 328 minutes, and for half degree it's 2 minutes. So it's 330 minutes differences. So 330 minutes means we can divide by 60, because we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So if you divide it 60, if you divide by 60, then you can get 5 hours 30 minute differences. So that's why our country ahead 5 hours 30 minutes. Here I already told you how our country 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from London. And next page you can get the standard time of our country, which is depend on 82 degree 30 minutes. Why we can get this particular line? Because the 82 degree 30 minutes is the middle line of our country, which is divide our country into two halves. One is the eastern, another one is the western, and this line goes through the middle portion of our country. That's why we find out the time depends on that particular line. And now the next point is international deadline. If you see the globe in your book, you can find out one of the zigzag line over the globe. It's called international deadline, and that particular line present just behind the prime meridian. So prime meridian value is the 0 degree. Just opposite side we can get that 180 degree, because it's a 360 degree circle. So 0 degrees opposite side we can get 180 degree. Here you remember, if you cross 180 degree from eastern to western, means from east to west, if you move to left side, then time will be decrease. If you move right side, then time will be increase. So how much time will be increase? If you move right side from the international deadline, you remember 12 hours time will be increased if you move right side. If you move left side from international deadline, 12 hours time will be decreased. And this particular line values 180 degree, and it's written east and west, both 180 degree east sometime we can use, and 180 degree west sometime we can use. Another thing I already told you, this line is a zigzag line. Why it's a zigzag line? Because we need to avoid the land surface. If the line we can imagine over the land surface, then this particular land surface having lots of the trouble regarding time, because if you just cross that particular line, so you can get the difference, a huge difference of the time. It's 12 hours difference. That's why we need to avoid that kind of the problem. We make or we imagine the line over the Pacific Ocean, and some of the place we are also omit, and we can imagine the line over the water bodies for skipping this particular problem. So this thing is the most important thing in this particular chapter: latitude, longitude, globe and its characteristics. After that how you can finding the time depend on the longitude. Next is the time zone. After that the international deadline, Indian Standard Time, and the local time also, one of the important. Local time also same thing. In the particular longitude time is called the local time. Hope this explanation will help you, and you can learn from your book, and your subject teacher already given the task, and exercise questions are already given. So after watching this explanation, you can learn the question answer. If you don't understood any of the question answers, then you can put a question to your subject teacher. Thank you.